Real Hi-Fi here, bringing you a very good tip. This is a tip that's not going to cost you any money. It's very simple. We've got Wi-Fi functioning in most of our systems nowadays, and it is destroying our sound very slowly. This is no exaggeration, but of course, for most people with a low quality sound system, it won't be very pronounced, this negative effect. It sound wise, it functions in this way that when you activate Wi-Fi, it's somehow, I don't know exactly why and how it does it, but it creates a digital artificial lag, a sort of softness in the sound. Whereas when you then deactivate it, it's almost as if a bit of power um, then gets released from the Wi-Fi router that you have, meaning that it can process the signal better via cable, of course. In other words, it prevents energy from fully releasing, um, a lot like upsampling does in music. So and a lot like Bluetooth does. Bluetooth also has this problem. So if you want the real sound, the sound that fully releases and becomes itself without having this digitized effect, I definitely recommend deactivating Wi-Fi. It can be very impractical because we need Wi-Fi for all of our devices, but doing it will solve a lot of problems. Um, so I also recommend deactivating Wi-Fi in regards to health reasons. We're getting more and more Wi-Fi signals all over the place. They're getting stronger, and it affects some people's sleep and their daily rhythm. Of course, a lot of people don't feel the effects, but I recommend deactivating it because you can solve the problem with cable, and using cable also gives you a faster speed generally. So yeah, hit two flies with one swat then. So you get better sound, you get a higher speed of internet doing it that way. So that's the tip for the day. And to support this channel, what you have to do is like this video and subscribe, and maybe throw in your experience with your setup that you have